In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Notion aesthetic. If you're looking to elevate the look and feel of your Notion workspace, you're in the right place. Let's get started with step 1, picking a cohesive theme. A well-selected theme can instantly transform your Notion pages. Think about what kind of vibe you want. Is it minimalist, vibrant, or perhaps something earthy? Align your color palette and design elements with this theme, which will help create a unified and pleasing visual experience. Consistency is key, so stick to a fixed set of colors and styles. Next up, integrate custom icons and covers. These small details make a huge impact. Icons and covers can be tailored to your theme, adding uniqueness and personality to each page. Notion supports links to images, so consider using platforms like Unsplash for stunning, free-to-use images, or platforms like Canva to design your own. Customizing these elements will make navigation easier and more visually appealing. Now, let's talk about structure. Utilization of headers, dividers, and callout boxes is crucial for organized content. Headers help to section your content into digestible chunks, while dividers provide a break between these sections, making everything look neat. Callout boxes can be used to highlight essential information or notes, drawing your attention to the right places at the right times. This structured approach not only enhances readability, but also the overall aesthetic. Moving on, let's discuss widgets. Widgets can add a dynamic element to your workspace. However, it's essential to use them sparingly. Overloading your pages with widgets can make them look cluttered and distract from your primary content. Choose widgets that enhance functionality and aesthetics, like a calendar or a to-do list, and blend them seamlessly into your design. Customizing your layout is another way to significantly improve the look of your Notion pages. You can adjust column sizes, add contextual dividers, and rearrange blocks to suit both style and functionality. This level of customization ensures that your workspace is not only good-looking, but also practical and tailored to how you work best. Stylish fonts and icons can add a touch of flair to your pages. Notion doesn't allow font changes directly, but you can use different text styles like bold and italic, or use Unicode fonts to introduce some variety. Platforms offering stylish icons can add personality to titles and sections, making them more engaging. Finally, let's discuss the importance of white space. Keeping plenty of white space not only gives your eyes a rest, but also allows each element within your Notion page to breathe. It enhances clarity and avoids the overwhelming feeling of an overpacked interface. Ensure that your sections have enough space around them to maintain a clean and comfortable design flow. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to a visually impressive Notion setup. Remember, the key to a great aesthetic is balance, finding that sweet spot between functionality and style. Happy customizing!